So I think I'm going to have to recheck again, because I think Duke might be a Duchess. I just need them to turn around a bit for me. But he's found a piece of chicken. And what I do with the cubs is with chicken wings I cut the wing tips off, so the cubs can actually eat them easier rather than the whole chicken wing itself. But he has found a good stash down there. But no Daisy or Oliver at the moment. And yeah, you can see that manger's actually starting on his tail now. And he's found another piece of chicken. He's winning tonight. It literally is winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, that was a bigger piece of chicken he's found. I just need him to turn around and then I can confirm.